Hello YouTube, I'm Paul Bennett. If you don't know me, I do have a couple of YouTube channels I've been running for a while now. About 5-6 years I've been running Downeast Thunder Creations, and for the past 2 or 3 years I've been running Shoestring Shipyard Sailing. And I do have a new one recently launched, a third channel called Paul's Righteous Rants. And now this one, Paul's Patrons Only. This is just a teaser, and the teaser corresponds with the very first Paul's Patrons Only video, which you can't see because it's unlisted. It's only available to my patrons, and I've condensed my Patreon page to include all of my different YouTube channels. So if you're from Downeast Thunder Creations, or you're a supporter from Shoestring Shipyard Sailing or Paul's Righteous Rants, any of those, it'll take you to one Patreon page, and that covers everything. And this particular video that I did for Paul's Patrons Only is just that. It's for my patrons, those who support my channels, support my projects. And this one is all about a set of jack stands that I built from scratch. It's about a half-an-hour video. In this little teaser, I'm going to show you a few photographs from that video, and it's a full build video right from scratch, right from the very beginning to the finished product. And this isn't just a stand that could be used under a boat. It can be used as a boat stand, but it's a vertical, straight up and down, narrow footprint jack stand that can be used for many other projects. And if you want to see it, just become a patron. When you become a patron, and you'll be able to go to my Patreon page and see all the posts that I have made that are available only to my patrons. And you'll see the post for this new jack stand that I built, and there you'll find the link that you'll be able to use to watch this video. So I hope you enjoy the teaser, and maybe you might agree to become one of my patrons on Patreon for as little as only $1 a month. I really appreciate the support. It helps me be able to offset my cost of consumables like sandpaper and welding rod, various solvents and things, and all the things that I use up. And you'll find in most of my projects I use a lot of reclaimed, recycled, repurposed materials whenever I can. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, like and share the video. Try to get more people on board.